I am live, I am live. Sweet. All right. Okay. I guess let's just jump right into it, because there's no time to lose. I also have another playlist, like a good one, not a lovey one. We're not gonna relax today. We're gonna do the job. Let's get this done. So on the last stream, I had to like cut things early because my damn battery died. But today I'm ready for it. I have the thing, the what do you call that? The charger. Because earlier I was just charging my laptop with the two monitors, you know, like in a USB-C kind of thing. But turns out that's not enough juice. So I had to connect my actual charger into it. Anyway, it's working now. Right. So we were here. I haven't touched anything since we last met yesterday. So I don't remember what I was doing, to be honest. I was trying to see which direction, and I was doing something here. Oh, I was reading the... Oh, I closed it. Advent of Code, day... This is day 9. 9. Okay. Because my stuff was working correctly. Like, for example, in this scenario, if this H moved here, my T would stay in the same place. Oh no, sorry, my T would move up to this position. So to this position instead of this, which is not what we wanted. We want the T to move in a diagonal fashion, either right and up or up and right, to get behind the H. So what we're trying to figure out now is, like, when do we know that we need to move diagonally? So if my T was where were we? Head is 4, 2, so I guess it removes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So head is here, and my tail is 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. So yeah, my T is here, my head is here, and I want it to move this way. So if it is not on the same column and it is not on the same row, I needed to move diagonally. So that's what I was trying to figure out. So if the distance, so this is nonsense now. So if there's a distance that is more than 2, I have to move diagonal somehow, because this code works for horizontal. Okay, wait, I know what to do, I think. So yes, this is gonna say up, but I don't want it to go up. I want it to go diagonal, but then how do I tell it that? So let's do else if here, and then our first if is going to be if head and tail are not, if head dot x is not head dot, no, tail dot x and head dot y is not tail dot y, then this means that this is not need to move diagonally. Okay, so if this is the case, if none of those match, then I have to move diagonally. So then I need to know where to move. So if this is the case, then what is my x distance? Is 1, and my y distance is 2. So it's telling me that it is further away from me in the y thing and not in the x thing. So 1, I need to move up. It's gonna tell me to move up. Okay. Oh my god, how do I do this? Wait, I know. Let's do a flag bar. Is diagonal. Okay. And then this whole thing, so is diagonal is going to be true. So let's see, if I remove all this and I put here is diagonal, is going to be true. So I need to move diagonally. Okay. So then if I have this whole thing, it's gonna tell me to move up. But then maybe if I know x and y distance. Okay. Because if these were the other way around, like 3, 0, 4, 2, oops, 3, 0, 4, 2, yeah, this would be negative, so I need to move diagonally to the other way. Okay. Okay. So if my distance is positive, I need to move, if x is positive, I need to move right. And if y is positive, I need to move up. Okay. Okay, I'm just thinking, should I make this this? No, because then this is gonna be right. Oh, but I do want to go right. Right. From here. Yeah, I want to move right and then up. Okay, so if I move right, where is it? I'm gonna move one more x, and then, yeah, then it's gonna tell me to go up. And then if I move up, this is gonna be 1. And then what's the distance here? Oh. It's gonna want to keep chasing it. Okay. So, okay. If one of the distances is 0 and the other if one of the distances is 0, is that I am okay because I am in the same place. So, for example, if the head moves 1, I'm fine because my total distance is 1. If this moves to 2, I'm not fine because my distance now is 2. If this were to be 1 and 1, I am still fine because I'm still in touch. Okay. But then on the next one that it moves, I'm gonna need to move. Okay. So if there's a 2, this is diagonal, the here is gonna be true. Oops. Okay, let's start again. So if this moves 1, this is false. If this moves 2, this is false. If this moves 1 and 1, this is true. So I need to move diagonally, which means that I have to do this twice, I guess. So this is going to be which directions? It can be more than 1. What was I doing with that? Which direction was I? No. Okay. I was not moving this. And where was I going to use this? Where? I was doing this near here. Ah, here it is. Move the tail closer to the head. Okay. So I need to figure out which direction to move and then move. Okay. So I'm gonna need the move function. Okay, let's just do which directions and return how many directions I need to move. Okay, so let's do this then. If it is this thing, then right, left, up, down. And then I can put this logic in a function. Function get single this, no, get single move, get single move. And then what was I doing again? Ah, X and Y distance. So get single move, I'm not gonna do anything with it, just like this. Okay. I'm gonna move this later. Actually, this is just gonna be a variable. Variable. Single move. Or move. Not single move. Okay. If single distance, then right, left, up, down. Okay. And then I want to check if this is diagonal, then I'm gonna need 2 of these. So how? If this is diagonal, true, then I need to check. Wait, let me remove this first. And actually, let me check this again. Single move, single move. Okay, so wait a minute. So if I have 0, 0, I don't need to move. So that's fine. If I have 1, I don't need to move. If I have 2, I need to move right. Okay, cool. Okay, and then if I have here 0 and I have here 2, I need to move up. Okay, cool. And then if I have here 1 and here 1, I don't need to move. But then if I move 1 up, okay, I need to move right and up. Right? I didn't check this diagonal, damn it. So, okay, 0, 0, 1, is diagonal false, is diagonal false. Okay. 0, 1 is diagonal false, is diagonal false. Okay, and it's up. Cool. Then if I do 1, 1 is diagonal is true. And then if I move 1 more, then it's true, and it's gonna tell me to go right. So if this is diagonal, then I need to move. Okay. Right and up. So here is where these are gonna change to equals. Let's try it out. So if is diagonal, well, first, if this is not diagonal, or well, yeah, if this is diagonal, else. So I'm gonna do this diagonal in a bit. If this is not diagonal, let's put 0 and 0 to try the not diagonal. And there is where we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna remove this. Okay. Okay. But if this is diagonal, then we're gonna do this whole thing, and this is gonna be equals, 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 equals. And oh wait, I need to, no. Okay, let's try the non-diagonal first. 1, 2, right. Okay, and 1, 2, up. Okay. And if I do the other way around too, 1, 2, left, 1, 2, down. Okay. So now if this is diagonal, then I need to check both distances. So the first one is going to be if x distance is more than or equal to 1. Okay, I think this is the same. And then I'm gonna add the stuff. Hold on. Two and 1. Okay. So it's gonna tell me to go right. So else left, right, left, and then I'm gonna do plus, no. This, else if, else this, and then plus if up down, else plus, no, right, left, up, down. Wait, it should have worked. I don't have single move anymore. So x distance is more or equal to 2, so I have to go right, and then y distance is oh no, it's fine. More or equal to 1, and it should say up. Okay. So this is only returning right, it's not returning up. What if I do this? No. Okay. What if I do this plus? What is this telling me? Parentheses, perhaps? There you go. So let me add parentheses in everything just in case. Parentheses are my doom. So here's the if, here's the else. All right. Okay, so now I have right and up. Only if this is diagonal. If this is not diagonal, then this is gonna return. Oops. We started here, we do 2, this is right. No, sorry, we do 2, this is up. Okay, if we have 2 and 2, this is right and up. Okay, sweet. And now here, let's return these then. There might be an easier way to do this. I'm just not finding it for some reason. All right. And let me put this up. Okay. Works for me. So now this is always gonna return. Okay, an array. And then if this doesn't have to move, this is gonna be an array of no, I need this to be an empty array. There you go. Okay. Maybe I can just do the same that I just did. Put it here. To make this an array. So I don't have to surround this all. Oh, but that's not what I wanted. Okay, never mind, never mind, never mind. Okay, we have our function working now. Let's copy that. So now we have which direction. Oh, head and tail. Let's just copy from here. To here. Alright. Head and tail are points. Awesome. And now we get the which direction. Oh, which directions. Now let's use the which directions. This is gonna return an array of strings or an empty string. Okay. So now to move. No, I don't need to move. I need here. Move the tail closer to the head. Okay. So for each direction, which directions this is going to be? Is this new head or is this head? Let's try with head because I don't remember what I was doing exactly. Get tail points. I'm trying to get the points of where the head has been at, and so I'm moving. Okay, if it doesn't have to move, then only the head moves. If it does have to move, then the head moves, the tail moves, and I add the new tail to the tail points. Okay. So do I need the new head or the old head? New head is head, move direction. Let's just do head and tail. Head and tail. Which directions? This is gonna return the array. For example, like this, right and up. And then that. I do a map. Oh my god, still doing maps. Well, that's life. Maybe I should add extra logic. I'm thinking. Because like if this is only one, then we can just go ahead and do this directly move. Okay, let's do that. Let's just return this a string if this is only one movement, and an array if there are two moves. So this can return array of string or string. Okay. Array of and array. Oh, shoot, sorry. Right. This is gonna be an array of direction or a string, and then this is going to be R L U D R L U D. Okay. Is that good? No? Oh. Well, never mind. Okay, array or string. And then let's do a match here. Oh, so this thing, which directions, head and tail, and then match case is string, case is array. Else tail. Okay. So if this is a string, this is only one direction. So head, move, direction. Oh. Head, move. Oh. Okay, which directions? So we don't have to do that again. Lazy bar, which directions? And then which directions? Match head. If this is a string, move. Damn it. WD. Move WD. WD. Okay. Head, move WD. If this is an array, then for each WD, we're gonna do a map. Oh no, I need to do two moves actually. So we do the first one, WD1. So head, move, WD1, and then move returns the new point, right? Yeah. So this returns a point. And let me put parentheses. There, so I can do this. Oh, I still can't. Oh, right. Well, I am very OCD, so I'm just gonna do it. Do this, and then this again. Can I now? Oh my god, seriously? Okay. You know what? Never mind. Whatever. Okay, so move, point, direction, and this is gonna return a point. So then if this is a string, if WD is a string, just move once. If this is an array, then move WD0, which is the first one, and then from that result, move WD1. Okay. If this is a single move, two moves, diagonal. Else just return the tail. Okay. So we have the new tail now. And we're already sending it here, and then we're also doing tail points plus new tail. Alright, so we're already calling this from get tails point. Yeah. Let's see how this works. And I'm using the regular payload. So now the directions have changed. Cool. But why is this not running for everything? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it just did the 4 R's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it starts at 0, 0, the tail points. Initial state 0, 0. Then the second one. Ah no, it's giving me all of the points, right? Then on the second... Oh, interesting. Am I not sending it correctly? Yeah, 1, 2, minus 1. Yeah, I am. Let's log this to see what even I am returning here. Maybe I'm not doing this correctly. Okay, no, yeah, it is working. It's doing 1 by 1. So the log works. The directions is working. Rest of directions, rest of directions. Is it the tail points that is not counting correctly? Let's see where the new tail is moving. So only here I'm using new tail. If not, it's just a regular tail. I want to return... What do I want to return? Can I do this? Log, new tail. Yes. Those are the same, right? 1, 2, 3. Push. So 0, 0. Then 5, 2. How come? Is it that the things are not moving correctly? Wait, no. I need WD, so which directions? Log. RU, LU, LD. What? So you're never returning. Okay, that's a problem. Because it first moves right and doesn't move, but then it moves right. So this should be the first one, but the first one that it's telling me is this one, which is 5, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. It's not even that one. Oh, right. Well, you are not working. Which directions? Okay. I need to troubleshoot. What are the directions that I'm getting, and then where I'm moving the head? Let's see if the head is moving correctly. One 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 4 1. Okay, yeah, it's moving correctly. It ends in 2 2. Let's see where this ends. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. It ends in 2, 2. So the head is working correctly. So the tail. Oh! Maybe it's because I'm moving the head incorrectly. Is that it? Here. Oh no, I saw that this was not returning the... Yeah, okay. So let's see what is being returned here. First, let's debug this. Hopefully it will let me. Because last time I tried to debug, it just sent me a huge error. Hope it doesn't do that. Okay, looks like it's going. Or not. That's also fine. Wait a minute. Okay. So why are you not working again, dude? I kind of saw that there was a regular error. Yeah, this one. From range to array. Oh, that's fine. What? 1, 2 times? No, that's not mine. Alright. None of that is mine. But there's an exception. Stack Overflow error. Oh. Well, that sucks. Okay. So I'm not gonna be able to debug. I didn't want to debug anyway. So let's use the good old log. So you are the one that's not returning. The first one should be right. So let's see what this is returning. 4, -1, and 2. What? Okay, that's not good. No, because the first one is... The first one should be 0 actually. And then we should have TH. Wait. So the first time that it comes, this is 0, 0, this is 0, 0, and this is 0, 0. So it already has the first direction, which is right. New head moves right. And then which directions? Oh, this should be empty. Wait. Ah, so if new head is near tail, then I don't need to run that. This is gonna be true. Let's run this. Love. Oh. Can I do this? Yeah, okay. Oh. So he's saying true, 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 true. Until here it's false. That shouldn't be. Initial state is true, 1, and then 2, and then 3. The third one should be false. So something is going on here. And then why do I get -1, -2? What? So new head, move, direction. And then is this near tail? The actual tail. If this is near tail, then nothing else to do. Just continue with the rest of the directions and send the new head. So this is the first one, that's fine. We moved from here to here. Now we arrive here and we tell, no. So now head is 110. And so we check if direction's empty, no. And then new head is near tail. So to where we are gonna move it. New head is near tail, new head is gonna move here. So now this should be false. Now we should get here. Get tail point, sending the rest of the directions, the new head, and the new tail after we move it. Okay, this should be new head and not head. New head, move, new head, move. Okay. Will that work? I don't even know what I was logging. Log. Oh, I was logging the distance. Well, that's even more awful. So the first one is working, but then I have 5 and 3. I don't understand. Am I never getting here? Is that it? So if I copy this thing, put it here, remove the points, and then, oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Here, remove the points, and then this is 0, this is 0 at first. And then a new head is gonna move 1. So yeah, I ask which directions. In case I do need to move it. And that is when this is gonna be 2. So head is gonna be 2, 0, and tail is gonna be 0, 0. Right? No, this needs to be new head. And then new tail is gonna check which directions and then match. So this is going to be first the R, so new head. Oh, I'm dumb. This is new tail. This is tail. I'm moving the tail. Tail move WD. And then, if not, tail move WD 1. This is gonna return the point. And then move that point WD2 1. There you go. That was the issue, and also this new head. Okay. Okay. Now why do I get 0, 1, 2, and 3? Oh my god. Let's log which directions again to see what's happening here again. Are you? So again, it's never returning these. Why? Oh, it would be so nice if I could debug. Okay. So I know directions is working, and direction is working. New head. Let's do new head to see where this is moving. So 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 4 1 4 2, and until I get to 4 2 it moves. Okay, so maybe it's the near that is not working. So I have 1 0 2 0. At 2 0 it should have moved. Then WD is not getting executed, so okay, let's see this thing. Log if new head is near tail. 1 0 true, and then 2 0 that should be false. Okay, let's also log tail then. To see where tail is. 0 0. Oops, let me put it here. Tail, tail. New head, because this is getting like a lot, and then here, that's fine, I'm gonna leave that one. Okay, so tail is 0 0, yes, and then head moves. Okay, let's put the head moves. Head moves, whoops, this is string, head moves there. Tail is 0 0, head moves to 1 0, and then new head is near. Let's say new head is near tail. Okay, so tail is 0 0, head moves 1 0. And then new head is near tail. This is true. And then tail. Oh, no, wait, that's fine. Tail is 0 0. Where is it? So we start the thing here. So they start, and then this moves, and then it stays there. But then when it moves, it has to move. So then we have tail in 0 0, head will move to 2 0, and this should be false. Okay, there you go. So is near, where is that is near? I'm doing something wrong with this function. Let's see. And let's remove the point, and then this is gonna be is near. True. Oh shoot. Well, that's why that's happening. So what is, wait, what is x distance? 2. And then y distance is 0. Okay. So x distance less or equal to 1. Oh. Yes, so this is not near. Oh, I see. But the y distance is less or equal to 1. Ah. Well, that's embarrassing. Okay, so both have to be near. So this has to be an AND. Okay. If I am 0, 0, this is true, this is near. If I am 1, this should be true. If I am 2, now this is false. I am not near. Okay, and then same applies to this. I am near, I am not near. And then what if I have 1 and 1? This is near. And then if I do 2, this is not near. Okay, I just needed to change the OR to AND. Okay, so now is this better? Let's see. 0, 0. Okay, let's see all the places that I've been. So I have been at 0, 0, then at 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. Then I stay in 3, 0, and then I move to 4, 1. 3, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1. Okay, sweet. Oh my god, it was just a damn... okay. Alright, so now we have the 14. Awesome. And then was this 14? Please tell me this was 14. Ah, damn it. Oh, maybe it doesn't count the first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, it does. 13. Did I count correctly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I did something wrong. Let's run this again. Let me see first these things. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. Okay, and then we jump to 4, 1, 4, 1, and then 4, 2, yes. And then 4, 3, yes. 4, 3, and then 3, 4. 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, here. 3, 4. 2, 4. Oh no. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. 3, 4, 2, 4. Really? Wait. No, I'm doing something wrong. 4, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 4, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yes. 4, 3. 4, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then this one. Cool. And then 2, 4. 0, 1, 2, 4. Here. Yeah. 3, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sure. So now I'm missing these 3. 4, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3 again. Oh, maybe because it's repeating. I think 4, 3 was already there. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's why. And then 3, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. Yes, that was it. I'm repeating 4, 3. Yeah, 4, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so I'm missing distinct by. Okay, so now I have 4, 3 here. Oh, it's still here. It's not working. Oh, no, 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 I need to run it. Yeah. Okay. So 4, 3. Okay, there you go. That was it. I was missing the distinct by. Now I have the 13. Okay. Now let's get the puzzle input. Let's hope that this doesn't fail. Okay. Oh, 2000. Oh my god, let's hope that it doesn't fail. Still running. Maybe I should take off the logs. Oh, I didn't save it. Oof. Okay, let's try with the logs first. Running preview. Okay. It worked. Let's see that. Is it the same answer? Yes! Awesome. Continue to part 2. A rope snaps. Suddenly the river is getting a lot closer than you remember. The bridge is still there, but some of the ropes that broke... What? The bridge is still there, but some of the ropes that broke are not whipping towards you as you fall through the air. Well, that sucks. All my work for nothing. The ropes are moving too quickly to grab. You only have a few seconds to choose how to arch your body to avoid being hit. Unfortunately, your simulation can be extended. Oh, fortunately, your simulation can be extended to support longer ropes. Rather than 2 knots, oh no, you now must simulate a rope consisting of 10 knots. 1 knot is still the head of the rope and moves according to the series of motions. Each knot further down the rope follows a knot in front of it using the same rules as before. Oh no. Using the same series of motions as the above example, but with the knots marked H1, 2, and so on until 9, the motions now occur as follows. Okay, so it's the same as before. Let me take the previous... Oh, I can just do Control Z. Hold on. Let me go back to the previous. There you go. If I run this, this is 13. Cool. Alright, so if we have the same things... Oh no. Now this is moving R4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 4. Oh, up 4. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this sucks. Okay. This is where you wonder if your program is tightly coupled or if the functions can be reused. And then L3, 1, 2. So this moved from here to here. 3. I don't think this is gonna work with my code. And then D1, R4. Three, 4, D1, L5. Oh my god. Now you need to keep track of the positions. The new tail 9 visits. In this example, the tail never moves, and so it only visits one position. However, be careful. More types of motion are possible than before. No. Oh no. So you might want to visually compare your simulated rope to the one above. Here's a larger example. These motions occur as follows. Individual steps are not shown. So initial state. Why is this my initial state though? R5, U8, L8. This is just an example, right? D3, R17, blah blah blah. Now the tail 9 visits 36 positions. Simulate your complete series of motions on a larger rope with 10 knots. How many positions does the tail of the rope visit at least once? Oh no. Okay, so is this gonna be my new thing? U20, yeah. So here the tail visits 36 positions. Does it even work for that? Let's see. Nope, it doesn't work at all. Okay. Alright. How many positions does the tail of the rope visit at least once? Ah, no. Okay. So let's start at the beginning. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna just stash this whole thing as one script first. So new folder, day 9, and then let's do new file, transform.dwl, and let's do new folder inputs and new file payload.txt. I am gonna I'm gonna add the new file as part1.dwl, and I'm gonna put this whole thing there because this is just too much, and I may have to redo the whole thing, so just putting it here for now. Part 1, cool. So now the transform is gonna be here for the part 2. Okay. So the point still applies, the direction still applies, the S point, starting point, yeah, still applies, I think. I will assume that I still start at 0, 0. I don't think it matters. Anyway, let's start at 0, 0. Hopefully it still works. The is near, head and tail are still gonna work, but now let's change this to 0.1 and 0.2. So 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2. Okay, just to keep it more general, same here. 0.1, 0.2. So now the head is a 0.1. And that's it. And the 0.2. There. Okay, everything else stays the same. Which directions? I think it still applies as an array or as a string. And then move. That still is fine. I think the get tail points is gonna change. Because now what matters here is that my tail, or my number 9, is close to the number 8. But for that I will need to move all of the things. So I will need to have 8 points, just like in Battlesnake, and all of them they will start in the same position. So I guess I still need this. Get tail points distinct by. So I'm still splitting. I'm still getting how many, and then the repeat how many. Let me check that still works. Yeah, still good. Now this is gonna be very big. So I have like 20 U's, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there are 10. Okay. 20. Alright, so after that happens, then I will call the get tail points and the distinct by. Let me put the distinct by. No, that's fine. Get tail points, which is gonna call this. It will receive the directions. But now, instead of doing head and tail, I'm going to do like rope, I guess. So let's create a new, oops, not here. A new type rope. And actually, instead of point, it should have been not, but that's fine. So rope now is gonna have, should I do it manually? Yeah, why not? Oh wait, type rope is gonna be an array of points. No, it's fine. Array of points or nuts. Okay, so I'm gonna start the thing. Var rope equals so all of them are gonna start at the starting point. So from 1 to 1 to 9, right? Because we're gonna have 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 9. Yes. 1 is the head or not? Is the head 0? I think it's, yeah, the head is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So from 0 to 9. Okay, and the 0 is gonna be the head. Oh no, where is it? Here. Okay. So from 0 to 9, I'm gonna have the rope. And then I want to do this thing. S point, remove the point. So if I do 0 to 9 and then do map this plus S point plus oh, maybe reduce item accumulator, this thing, and then I do accumulator plus item, oh the plus S point there. So 0, 1, 2, just to make sure, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. If... oh, I can just copy and paste this. No, it's too much. Okay. Okay, this is our thing. To create the whole rope with the starting points. What? Yes, leave me alone. Fine. As array. Okay, so I have the rope where it starts. So now for each one of the directions I need to move the tail. Okay, so let me start removing this whole thing because I may just redo it if it's easier. So I'm gonna receive the directions. I'm gonna receive the tail points, which are gonna be the same. And I'm gonna receive the rope with the rope. Okay. Okay. So first I do need this thing. So I do need the direction. Then I need to move the new head. So I do need this. Oh, right. Bar head point equals rope 0. I'm just gonna let the log be there just in case I need it. Okay, so head point, rope, and I'm gonna move the direction. Now that the head moves, I need to check if I need to move the rest of them. But if I don't need to move them, then that's fine. In this case, I don't need to move them. Where are you? Here. So it's all there. And then the first moving is going to be from here to here. I don't need to move the rest, so the rest will stay exactly where they are. So for that, I will need another function. Fun What happened? Check or move. Move rest of rope. So I'm gonna receive the rest of the rope. Rest of rope. This is gonna be of the type rope for now. Okay, so I'm gonna receive the rest of the rope and then I'm gonna check the first one. Do I need to send the head? Do I need to send the head? No. Actually, I can just send the whole rope. No, yeah, I need a new head. Yes. So I'm gonna move the new head, that is for sure. And then I need to check the rest of the rope. Okay. Or should I do that in this one? No. Okay. And then head, point. So I'm gonna check first if the new head is near tail. So new head is near, and then the second one. Head is near rest of rope 0. So if head is near rest of rope 0, then I don't need to move this. We're done. Well, now else if the first if is empty rest of rope, then return what? I don't know. So if the head is near the rest of the rope, the first position, so if the head is near the neck, for example, then I don't need to move anything else. So this is done. But if the head is not near the rest of the rope, then I need to keep moving this. Okay, so let's leave this as oh, that's fine. So I'm gonna keep removing from the rest of rope until there's nothing, and then I'm gonna keep updating the whole rope. Okay. Rope. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if the head is near the rest of the rope, I can just return rope. If this is empty, I'm just gonna return rope. Okay, else, if I do need to modify it, then I need to move the next point in the rest of rope, which is 0. Var next point, this, okay, the head is near next point, return rope, else I need to move it. So move rest of rope. The rest of rope is going to be rest of rope 1, 2, -1. The head is now going to be next point. No, it's gonna be next point and then moved after it moves. And then the rope is gonna be updated. Right? Yes, so if the next point is updated, then the rope has to be updated too. Which is how? I'm gonna lose my indexes. What if I do next index? And then this is a number. Okay. And if next index is less than 0, then this is done. This is gonna be lazy. The next point is gonna be rope. Next index. Okay. So we're gonna send the rest. No. We're gonna send the next index. So next index +1. Or just index. Yeah. Oh, actually, if next point is empty. Yes. Next point is empty rope, else if head rope, move rest of rope, index +1. To see the next index. Next point, after it moves, I'm gonna move it in a bit. And then the rest of the rope is gonna be updated. So rope, update. And then case 0? No, index with the new. Okay. Var new point. after it moves. Okay, I will have to see if this works, but it should update the new point to this index. Okay, yes, my new head will become that. And then instead of head, no, that's fine. Okay, maybe it won't make sense for a lot of people, but it makes sense for me, so that's fine. So in new point, now we're gonna update the new point. So this is what we were doing for that. Which direction? New head and tail. Let's see. So first of all, lazy. And then or wait. Let's add it here. Ah, damn it. No, where is it? There. Okay. Lazy. Which direction? And we do the thing. So which directions? And then the head. And then the tail, which is the next point. Okay. So to which directions should we move? And then the new tail. Or the new point. This is the new point. New point. This thing. Match. If this is string, then next point. So this point, maybe this should be this point. This point, this point, this point, this point. If this point, this point move WD. If this is a single move, what? Wait, this point, this point. Okay, now what do you want? From string to direction. What do you mean? This point, rope. What? No, rope is a rope and rope is an array of point. Ah, WD. What if I take off log? Will that make you feel better? Nope. Okay. But which directions is returning? Oh, array or string. Can I say... Ah, that's fine. It's just auto-coercing. Whatever. And then array this point, auto-coercing, and then why are you... Sure. Okay, and then if this is an array, you're gonna move, else this point. Okay, so now I have the new point, and I'm sending it there. And then I don't need Oh, maybe I need to send the rest of the directions here. But for now, I have the new head, and then I'm gonna check if I need to move the rest of the rope. So new head, and then bar the rest of the rope. Now we'll have rest of rope, or the whole rope. Maybe it's a whole rope, new rope. And now this will have the new head. This is also lazy. No. Okay. So the new rope will be the new head, which is a point. Prepended to move rest of rope. Or maybe not really. Or maybe yeah. I don't know. Oh, this is dangerous. Because I'm sending the head and I'm sending the rope. Because I will keep going through the rope. This should be the rest of the rope. This is the head. Yes. No. So the head has already moved, and I'm just checking if this point has to move. And I'm returning the whole rope. So the rope should not contain the head. Okay, let's go with that. Hopefully that's what I need to do. So move rest of rope. Index, we will start at 0. So maybe index has to go to the end. Head rope and index 0. Okay. So again, right, so head is new head, will not be included, and then rope is gonna be the rest of the rope. So rope 1, 2, -1. Okay. Whew, hope it works. Then we will also have the rest of the directions. And I think the rest will still apply actually. Okay, let's see. So now if it's empty, directions, tail points, yeah. Else if new head, I don't think I need to do this anymore. because I'm already doing that. I'm already doing that here. I'm already moving everything. Okay, else get tail points. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna comment it out in case I need it. Else get tail points. Rest of directions. So maybe I don't need this variable anymore. New head. Oh, directions and then rope and then tail points. Okay, so this also doesn't apply. Directions, rope. So this is new rope. And tail points. So I'm just gonna count all of the tail points. So tail points plus new rope minus 1. Okay. Oh man, let's see if this works. It should still work. Ah. Dynamic selector with these arguments. Where about this point? Did I miss a lazy? Oh, this should be null, shouldn't it? With these arguments, object, an array. What it expects. What? Am I not sending index 0? Rope is rope. Rope. This point. This is a point, right? What? Move rest of rope. I'm sending index +1. Oh, I forgot to move this around. So new point, rope, and index +1. Okay. Is that good? Yes. I don't know if it works or not. For now, let me just see quickly. Having a lot of faith in my code. Okay, so now the tail visits 36 positions, including S, at least once. Okay, let's see if that's true. Size of 36. Ah! Awesome! It worked. Okay. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So now let's try with the thing. Oh dear. Dear what? Dear Elsa. Save. Save. Run. Running preview, running preview, running preview, running preview. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. Oh my god. Did it work? Did it actually work? Yes! It actually worked. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oof, I finished day 9. Beautiful, beautiful day. All right, removing this. Remove it, Come on, remove it. Remove it. Thank you. And removing this. All right. Beautiful. So a lot of these actually are the same. They didn't have to change a lot, but still I'm gonna just leave it in different things. Oh my god, we are one step closer to day 11, which is the one that Felix has warned us about. But actually, even if we don't do day 11, we can still continue. I thought that you had to like keep doing them like one by one, otherwise you wouldn't be able to continue. That's not true. So now I feel bad for using VSCode to do day 7 because I was not able to finish it and I don't deserve these points. I wish there was a way to redo that, like I didn't earn those stars, so too bad. But well, I ended up learning that we don't actually have to finish all the days. It's like you can just continue with the other days. But anyway, there's that. Let's copy and put it, no, I don't need this anymore, in my transform. So this is the one that I'm gonna show and the other one is gonna be in part 1, but that's fine. Oh, and the payload.txt is this one. Payload.txt, there you go. So, right, that's all for this stream. Whew. That was a lot. That was a lot. So if you're watching from Twitch, go to here. This is so hard. Here is my ProsDev channel, where you can find more videos of me doing things. And if you're watching from my YouTube channel, also, like, the battery was so good this time. I still have 100%. I'm so happy that I connected my computer to the actual connector, but now I can return to my dongle to have my Stream Deck connected once again. Yay! Alright, so that's all for this stream. I hope you liked it. Go and follow me on GitHub at Alex Martinez, in Instagram, DevAlex Martinez. Alexandra Martinez, sorry, is my GitHub. Instagram, DevAlex Martinez, and YouTube, ProsDev. And Twitch, if you're watching from YouTube, go to twitch.tv/DevAlex Martinez. That's it. Awesome. Thank you so much. And actually, there is one follower. Can I show you my latest follower? Oh, no, I can't. I'm just gonna show myself. Well, that's how the new follower thing appears if someone starts following me while I am streaming. So sweet. Thank you, Fabio Player, for following me 21 hours ago. Alright, that's it for this stream. I don't know if I will stream tomorrow. If I do, sweet. If I don't, I will see you next week then. Thank you so much. Bye. And now I have to click on end stream like an animal.